Hello, lovely people. Today I'm going to have some low carb fried rice. You want to lose weight, right? And you still want to enjoy some rice. Yes, this is the best recipe for you. Before we go on, please do well to subscribe for me, like and share this video, and leave a comment as well. We'll first start by pouring 2 cups of water in our saucepan. I'm going to add salt. The quantity depends, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'll take it to fire for it to boil. So I'm going to make use of this wheat rice. This is made from wheat. It's low carb and the taste is awesome. And so if you want to lose weight, this is for you. It's good for low carb recipes. You get it? So I'm measuring 1 cup and I'm going to wash it very well. So you see how it looks like. Yes. And so I'll wash it and then take it to the water on fire. So this is it. I'm going to pour it into the boiling water and I'm going to stir and cover and allow it to cook. It doesn't take time to cook at all. So looking at it this way, it is already cooked. It is well cooked. But I'll still cover with a parchment paper and give it some few minutes. But as it is cooked. The moment the water dries, it's okay. Yes, but I'm going to cover with parchment paper like I said, and then give it some few minutes. So 1 cup is to 2 cups of water. Do you get it? Okay, so finally I'm okay with it. So I'm going to take it off fire, and this is our low carb rice. This rice tastes great. Yes, very awesome. So you're going to make use of some carrots, some cabbage. I have yellow, red, and green bell peppers, and I also have some sliced cucumber. I've taken the green part of the cucumber off, so you can use any vegetables of your choice. I'm also going to make use of onions, and I'm going to make use of some soya meat. Yes, so I have my pan on fire. I poured in coconut oil, 3 tablespoons. I added onions, so I'm going to add the carrots also to it and then stir fry it for some few minutes. I will also add the soya meat to it. I have a recipe on how to make soya meat at home, so I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can watch it and make your own tofu or soya meat at home. You see. So I'm going to cover and give it time for it to cook a bit. Yes, and I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables to it at this point. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Okay, and so I'm sprinkling some seasoning on top. I'm going to add salt, then I'll stir together. And because I don't want my vegetables to cook too much, I'm going to add my rice to it. Yes, I'm going to add my rice to it, and then also add the rest of the onions to it. Yes. Give this recipe a try. You are going to love every bit of it. Yes, if you are on a diet trying to lose weight and you still want to enjoy some rice, then this is for you. You will love it. So just give it a try, okay? So you see, this is it, and I'm going to cover for some few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, and then allow it to warm up very well, and then that will be it for our recipe. Yes, so now it is ready, looking all some scrumptious. You're going to love this. I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed it, and I'll recommend it for you too. Yes, okay, so you see our fried rice is ready, looking scrumptious. You're going to love every bit of it. So I served this with some black pepper shito. Yes, so I have a video on how to make your own shito too. I'll leave the link there for you to watch. And so this is it. Food is ready. You are invited to join me and let's enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.